Hello everyone, Rio Grappling Club Novi Sad, Serbia. Today you're going to see how we're going to do the technical stand-up with very important details. So, what makes the difference? Everybody knows how to go to technical stand-up. Okay, this is my position. I move my hip a little bit, and now I turn my chest to the ground and go with this leg like this. Okay, but when I do this, important thing that this is my base. If I do this, it's not wrong, but base is here. What makes the difference is next move. When I do this, I want to circle my leg and put it right behind my hand. It looks like this. When I go this, I circle and stand here. Now I have a support from my leg and from my hand. Again, when I'm here, I just circle, and now I'm back into this again. So this is a little detail, little window, which can help everyone. So I'm here, just move my hip a little bit, base, circle my leg, and come back. That's it. Respect.